Y'all, this is so messy, but it's so good. There's no way I was biting that.
Alright, I was just,
Oh, I know what you were doing. You trying to sneak one of these?
yes.
Yes, I know. Every time I bake a new tester recipe, there's always one or two missing in the morning. I always thought it was cat.
Guilty.
Okay. Brown sugar banana with avocado frost.
Crazy, Dad.
Or wild, but
Avocado frost, let's try it.
It's healthy.
Yeah, brown sugar, banana, and avocado frost. Yeah.
She was, she's the one who grounded me for no reason.
I don't know, y'all, but I seen this recent Instagram, and it's called blackberry strawberry. No, it's called raspberry tomato lemonade, and I want to try it. The way that girl made that, I think I'm finna go try it, y'all. I think I'm gonna make it with y'all too. But the thing is, I have a juicer, so I think I'm gonna juice mine and add sugar, a little sugar.